back to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're seeing me, my name is Victoire Oguntan, and if you're a returning subscriber, bienvenue. So in today's video, and I'm going to show you how I install this crochet from all things savvy on Instagram. So you are going to see that I am glammed up very soon. Your guy is going to switch up and you don't even know that it is me. But before we continue this video, kindly ensure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'll be giving you bass, boss, bass, boss, bass, boss, 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 bass. So we are going to be switching. Yes, we're going to be glamming up. Yes, this crochet right here. And without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the video. So yeah, I have prepared my hair before. What I'm basically going to be doing is sectioning my hair, and that's what I'm going to be taking you through. Guys, kindly pay attention to what I am doing if you would like to recreate this style. You really want to take your time to part your hair. I took my time. If you are a beginner, you should take your time while doing this. I took my time while doing this, and I will be starting off with braids from the roots of my hair, and I'll just finish up with twist, and that's it. I just fast forwarded it because I didn't want this video to be too long. So that's basically it. And yeah, so enjoy. You notice that I am looking towards the other side. That is where I placed my mirror, and I wanted to ensure that I was doing the right thing. So I would twist my hair, and that is how I'm going to take it through all my scalp. I just put my hair in a corner, just not for my hair to be out of the way, and I have done some other sections. You see that I am using a wooden comb. Yes, this traditional comb actually helps you to get that very natural and defined line that you need. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up with the twist. Let me call it braid twisting. So I'm going to finish up with the braid twisting, and that's it. I do it by myself. Like I said, take your time. And I went ahead and did the back because I don't want to spend much more time using my phone to record and wasting too much time. So I just did it, and I needed a mirror to see very well what I am doing. So this is the locks. It is the Sheila locks from all the savvy on Instagram. Sorry guys, it's all things savvy. So I'm just catching cruise and having fun like I always do. I'm not a shy person, so you get to know me and you see that I'm a wonderful person. So I'll just go ahead and take my hair out of the way like I always do. So guys, kindly pay attention to this part. You just use your crochet like you always do normally, but these are individual locks, so you want to be very careful, and these locks are very fragile. Okay, so you don't want to mess up the locks at all. They are big and huge and very voluminous, but they are very, very fragile, and with a little mistake you are going to lose the natural look of the locks. So I would go on easily. I am taking my time. So guys, just take your time. I really took my time while doing this. Like the first ones I started, I didn't want to, I actually made some mistakes and I lost 3 locks. So I just went off camera, sat down properly, and did everything. So I am back now. I'm just showing you guys how I install the locks under the roots of my hair. So this is actually not the part where the individual locks come in. This is actually the part where I just install my locks. I did not fast forward this part, and I did not make it too long because I wanted you to understand what I am doing. So kindly watch what I am doing. If I don't take it easy like that, I am going to lose the natural effect of these locks and it is going to be bad. So I actually time lapse this video for it not to be too long, because I, like I said, I don't want this video to be too long. So enjoy. So before we continue the very important part of this video, kindly don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and if you watch till the end, don't forget to comment down below. Share with your family and friends, anybody you like, if you find it helpful. And yeah, that's just it. Thank you so much for watching. I wanted my hair out of the way. It was actually too much and annoying, but not annoying in the bad way though. So, guys, this is the important part where I wanted to show you guys what I did. You actually take the crochet and you hook it into the middle of your hair strand. If the crochet is not too long, then you can just put it in the like a quarter part. Then take the tip of your hair and just pull it in and drag it out. It is possible it doesn't come out. I made a lot of mistake, but I actually readjusted. So you are going to do the same thing till the end of your hair. It can take you 4 times, it can take you 3 times, just depends on how you do it. And then you readjust the locks till the root of your hair. So it actually gives you that natural feeling, like as if it was braided natural, or it was actually hooked automatically from your scalp. It is like Bob Marley look, but this one is actually very bigger. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. You see, I am taking the tip of my hair. I'll just hook the crochet, close it, and pull it again. Let's go one more time so that I'll show you what I'm talking about. I put the crochet inside my hair just like that, and I'll go ahead and take the tip of my hair and close the crochet. Make sure you close the crochet and you drag it out. I'm going to go one more time again for you to understand. So, and you drag it out as well. I was very careful and I took my time. So that's just it, guys. Very simple and easy, but this style is not that easy. You have to take your time and be very patient. So yeah, this is the final look, and it's just very full, as you can see. Let me just go and look in a very presentable way and talk about this locks more further. So I'm back. So this crochet is from LV Service. Like I said, kindly check out their Instagram if you want to get this crochet. And let me not lie to you, this is this crochet. If you cannot, if you're not familiar with installing crochet by yourself, girl, tell your professional stylist to do it for you, because this is a work. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you want me to do any kind of other hairstyles, kindly let me know in the comment section. And before we go, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your post notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video, and see you in my next one. Hasta la vie. Keep it.